Yeah, we hot daddy. We full of style and pattern can't flop daddy. Because you would with team, they don't stop watch with. If I need to clean, the full bag cash it. Hot, yeah we. Amigo, I am about to call the cops, pendejo, I swear. That is so, doesn't that hurt your penis, amigo? Okay, I call the cops now. Maria, me papa. Meanwhile. Come on, Salah. However missed that. That Liverpool boat face stress me out in a. I swear. Randy one. Randy one. Watch out, Mr. Confused Police. Me I come pick you up. We have a local crime go on in the same field, local friend them place. Some breaking the entry go on. The station just call me, so we go down there. Watch out now, and take up your matic and left the wicks up there now. Oh la. You can't go and left me a bricks us. So dears, me bet our money for Liverpool. Boy, it's all about him. Mad, me tell you. You can bet against Real Madrid. If you bet against Real Madrid, you are really that your side are going to lose. Me so forward. Me not tell you lie enough. Me start really look waste we got enough. Can me get, boy? No, Randy not like that one. Yes. Me try that one. That one I say gangster police. Alright? Me look like a real top cop. Moments later. Babe, so where is him? Hold on. Hurry up now, man. Yeah, man, as me I say, baby, me so forward. Me just hold lock up that boy, yeah? Bring him in, then come lock you up with the same handcuff. Yeah, man. And kill her with the loving. And not normal at police, you know. Get the long and the law. Yeah. Hold on there, baby. You know what you look like? You look like somebody put a bunch of frog banana up your head. What am I doing? Let me tell you something. Our balls are alone for shine here. So go on with your balls head. The girl them love this. Hello, what the girl grip in a mirror here till it pull off, she frightened. And first me last you know. You know what me I go do after this? Me I go request one new partner. Cause me might end up killing her. Cause today me pick up Goldilocks. Tomorrow me I pick up Cinderella. And me just shoot the police. You know what I make you start out that case, I know. You don't have to talk to me your side drive. No problem. Just play one song and make you bounce on me here can go and shake. Play this music for bounce here. Touch the radio and me shoot you on the radio. And bounce him to pop out of that head, you know what? 10 minutes later. Hey, Maria, mal cantero. Why you keep looking outside, amigo? Hey, pendeja, you give me many trouble, you know. Maria, something you want to say? Mal cantero, eh? Hey, Maria, mal cantero. Oh, the cops are here. Police, don't move. Hey, boy, I put on the rifle and put out some clothes. And then I turn around, you know. Eh? Right, papa. Be. Hey, boy, drop a gun. If I see, man. Hey, boy. Oi. Get up and don't take up your rifle when I get up, you know. Police in the youth. Ratted. Ratted. Come in, I say. Randy, you know, see, and a rifle. I mean, I said the rifle looks, you know. And the man look long, so. Hey, capo, what do you do? Arrest that guy, amigo. He was tearing down my house. Hold on, he come and left the handcuff in the car. I go feed down forward. Ready! How you drive gone? Hey, capo, why didn't you arrest or shoot that guy? Let me tell you something here. That is wrong turning kind of slow. And second of all, Jamaican police, we don't lock up naked man. So if you have a naked man problem, you call somebody else, you know. Don't you ever call back 911 for that, or we come and we shoot you. But anyway, this old dumb lady just let him in the back door and close the back door. So look like they know one him go. Put him up and put on close on him. Me gone. Okay, which lady, amigo? Wait, that door? But that is my back door. Eh? Maria! Open the door over here! Maria! Rat papa, Maria! Maria! Don't do this to Kwan, Maria! Maria, no! Maria, please! Well, it look like you like problem and not in your kid, man. Like, totally they lock the door. Me think I just live. As a man to man, you can't tell her this. You better you know, because to that man would long. You're not used to that again. I go watch my match. Later that day. Alright, the line now, fix right there, so watch a chop ya. Okay, banga chatter like a Harry Potter. Grammar happy proper, no time you can't stammer. Client stop and chum and make ya and patter. Watch ya, this is just a life of a chopper. Straight jeans, belt back, locks up and crabber. No do Timothy chopper, man fresher than a packer. Winter fresh mark, girl. Winter fresh mark, man fresher than a packer. Winter fresh mark, girl jaws chopper, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, bossy, you know that song with they alright. What one? Big voice, let me tell you something. You're a star.
4.9 FM.
Stop on it right now.
Right now we
Turn
have
on
a brand
radio.
new
What
artist.
pass out it?
Goes
Turn
by
on
the
the
name
radio right now.
of Big Voice.
Where say what pass it? Boy, let me see.
You don't need us some place to make your ulala. Set your good, then me full you up who did that.
Don't know, bossy. Bossy, I made that, bossy. Bossy, you can't believe, bossy. But take on records, man, that bossy. You do it for me, no, bossy. But, yeah, bossy, God no, bossy. Me a ball and me do them things, bossy. God no, bossy. Me understand, man. Cry, real, man. Tears of joy that. I told you, you have talent. And we're going to make it, you see this summer. Hot as it be. Tell her go get wet. You understand? I'm ever interview for you, we set up at the radio station too. So line up yourself, I'm coming to pick you up. Bossy, me put on my clothes now. And me have a girl song for days, you know, bossy. Girl, you are going so. See what the your bad come rock it off of me now. It's ironic. Oh, your boom boom fat, but it little bit. Oh, it's slippery, but it bossy. Just wait, bossy. Meanwhile, watch your daddy have to give a better price than that. Daddy, a solid gold teeth, me I say, you know. And chain and gold ears ring, you know, that me I tell you, a long time gold is just make. That me I tell you, Ras Navi in this 4 months now. So have to give me a good. Come here, right around there. Run on me at the Rashra. Him rap by his fears. Here's the only schedule, I'm calling about it. Membership. Aya. One time when it come like I had boss aya. Janu aya. Dragon, where do I aya? Your yard, big man and my yard there, brother. That me I tell you. You come and call head forward, but brother, around 4 months now, me have to take care of your feed and take care of our capisha. I be there and them thing them killer. I look out for you as a real general dog. You know, real remember what going dog? Yeah, sample man, hey, you know, no man, but big man thing, I want go on. Man thing got joke. Remember, Chip, look what they say in the mirror, look for yourself, brother. Listen, look I see where. Blood fire, aya. It's a prank this. Aya where eye locks, aya. Rotted. Fire where eye teeth, aya. Aya where eye gold teeth once and once. Gold teeth? Me not see it. But brother, you really remember what go on, remember, Chip? You know, come over here, got a doctor, brother, and them check you out. Blood fire, I said, doctor, I kind of make some ice water there. I have a story for you tell you. See all the girls, Simone. Make the water there. Yeah, boy, yeah, man. But no link him and make them know you're good, that. Tell the man if you forward over. Yeah, once and. Then I share I fix up myself, because I hear style. Can't work, I have to start over. Let me share once and once. Later that day. Bro, no freaking way, dude. Yo, bro, when Dragon told me your head forward, but bro, I had to, yo, bro. Happy to see you're good, bro, yo. Give me a ding, bro. Brad, I not tell me is I real linky in here. Yeah, once and once. I'm not telling you that style of fit here, Brad. Yeah, I have a gangster look. I'm glad you know with the color here and them thing there. I'm not done with it, bro. You're mad, bro. Hairstyle for days, bro. I'm just a beat down there now, bro. I'm call it the old girl thief. Have a girl waking the crown at late. Know what I mean, bro? Blood. The Rasta is back. Or once was. Head shine like a balls, my dead. But I shot the school now. I'm ready to die them show out and they are support and all you Dragon. We have I for 4 weeks I look after I have to rate, you know. 4 weeks? The rest of I 1 weekend? But anyway, Rasta, me glad to hear you because some things when you hate, when your head they gone. Why me I tell you, make have a big gain for tell you what? Once and once where I eat. Mr. Chin, don't even do that. Don't he messing with your memory chip. Messing? Memory chip, me tell you. You just ask it, you want your head gone up on pork. So I be a pork then gain all the hog balls, you're dealing with it like halls. So no really get the Rasta pork? Well, I can live with that still now. I think when that's when I catch I eat a buffalo. So wait now, me never done talking story. Mr. Chin, chill with all that. No, on a serious note, memory chip, we found you really messed up, bro. Yo, what happened? Can you remember what happened? No, once and once, call Uncle right, because I'm a part of this too, you know. Make him there. I rate him differently still, although. Channel. Boy, memory chip was at that, what he look at space, he notate there. Does a distract me, you know? Like he notate, does a. Like his space was a wave to me. Hey, Uncle, I mean, call Uncle right for you, memory chip. Call me dollar bit. It's a good.
want to look at you. What you want?
What I was sweet as all, man?
Now when I read something on the IP, you know, on the gram, you know, like, them getting it easy, you know. He like, the girl say, her boyfriend said to her, say, babes, you know, you look down, what's wrong? You look sick. And she say, yeah, she low up on funds. And the man say, so, oh, you be low up on funds, make you sick. The girl say, she diabetic. No, listen, they don't know what it is, but I'm going to fly away look at it. What you want?
Anyway, me call and give you some good news. Memory chip head forward back, you know, him talk everything, you know. He good now.
And?
Watch out, me just have to make a note, so you will over here, you know, so you have a forward.
Forward for it. Must feel like me like boy pitney. But you better the comment him say the rest drop out. When me know say, oh, champagne, fish and them thing they curry good feed. Right now I'm good that nothing for doing me. Yeah, come on from phone now, man.
Hello? Shit, man. Alright, Uncle Ryan, my friend. Me understand me real general. Me know you rate me, man. Alright, later. Touching with I say, I'm so forward. No signs in there, Portland. Oh, that's mad for no, not forget all that. Your memory chip, what you say happened, bro? Long story short, remember when you say the youth a jacket, I go find out. The doctor said the youth good. And it come like, say, see when the doctor cook up something for you, like, see when the doctor link. I bust the case, call the doctor, see when the doctor go say, boy, and the woman I tell him, say, if you tell me that, you know what I mean, she must say, geared the both of them things. I say, the doctor style me, so I end up blood the doctor, and I don't know what going on that in here. But right now, I don't even, God know here. Tell memory chip, oh God, man, you bloody doctor. Memory chip, come on, man. One eye, you want to have good ear. And one eye you would come with good ear, the next one come with black pepper like in come from Nigeria. And you feel straight like your Uncle Rai. That I never no surprise. But you used to be the doctor of a vagina. He don't look good, you know. Well, you can't get that trouble for vagina, man. And you swear, woman, though, she walk out left you. No, what beat on my dress, huh? Amigo. Cuán sad, amigo. Juan Maria, how to say Jamaica pendeja la pick-up. Hey, bata es, amigo. I can't believe so many. Ah, amigo. Juan, what go on with my... See, no, you're some general. What go on? Amigos, Juan, I don't care, amigo. La putas. Juan tell you guys something, but don't laugh at Juan. Wrong turn, amigo. Go to Juan's house. And naked, amigo. And use his thing long like Slegama, amigo. And pound and Juan door. Juan call police. Police ran and Juan Maria take wrong turn in house and lock door on Juan, amigo. Wrong turn ugly, amigo. Sorry, Juan. God, do that she don't know, man, so you're not the woman if you're 40 years. And she just look and say, one long would and just, God, if so? Jesus Christ. No, sir. Amigo, this is not funny, amigo. You know your wife and him, and wrong turn got the long thing, amigo. Juan been drinking wrong for 1 hour, amigo. Right now, Juan, like when you watch everybody, you just give you all your belongings, your money, and carry them things there. So since you're the biggest girl clown in the world, cause look for you have money, and your light skin, you have all over, I look about your Spanish girl. So if you're big same way, then you're feeling that much, okay, if I just one out, you see and gone. Right there, if you jump for joy, but you are, just give you money as bridging and them things, you don't need nothing in life. You're dragging chill with all, man. That's what's up with y'all Jamaicans, yo. Y'all don't take mental health serious, yo. Yo, Quan could hurt himself, yo. Yo, Quan, sit down, bro. Let me talk to you. Put down the bottle, Quan. Mental health, Ruko me sure as there. More madman there foreign in Jamaica. You might tell her? How this again, man? Po. Gallus, wrong turn, where are? Me, Quan, close. Right turn, Maria, Popo, me. What? Quan, see wrong turn when you back with your clothes as another day. Like, you might put you out, my general. Wait, Maria kicking Quan out, Hey, puta. Is that my PSG jersey, amigo? Quan, kill you. Yo, down, easy, Quan, wrong turn, easy. Hey, my fans, what go on, you know? I just want to shout out everybody with they here with me. I fight the good fight with me and nothing but love. Sorry the video so late. It was a hectic week and I'm going to try to get some additional parts from a few characters. I remember Flybat and so, but I just put in the next episode. I'm not making to wait anymore, but it was a bit busy. But you know what I mean? Love, you know, thank you for the endless support. So I dropped the cartoon August, but I think I'm going to try to push it for July. Love, you know. People remember put a day up on your calendar August 1st and come party with me float Linstead.
for the coochie.